My family moved around a lot due to my dad's drinking, so I learned very quickly how to make friends easily, how to people please, how to be superficial, and I could make myself be what you wanted me to be. You know what I mean? In order to
Yeah.
make friends.
Yeah.
Um, and so when you go to treatment, the only thing that really changes is that your coping mechanism of using alcohol, drugs, or behaviors removed. So all of those feelings come gushing back. It's an opportunity to work on them, which eventually, and I did, and I did embrace that. But it also is your coping skills are gone too. So those coping skills that I met and used as a child, and some my parents do, which my parents are like big fight inside the house. Some phone rings. I'm sure you can relate this, and your mom answers. She goes,
Hello.
"Oh, hi, Jude. How are you?"
Yeah.
So, and that's exactly what I did back to my kids in early recovery and to my family. And I definitely cut myself off from all of my friends and my more extended social network. Um, the women who probably would have, well, who eventually did support me more, but it was like, okay, I'm shutting it down. Because at first I felt this a tremendous shame and guilt. Um, Partially because, I'm a social worker, I should know better. I worked in addiction for years and years, and here I am an alcoholic. I It's embarrassing, you know?
Yeah, I can imagine
Uh,
that's hard internal conflict to kind of wrestle.
oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And then when I realized that, I absolutely had done to my kids what my parents did to me, that was heartbreaking, but my defense mechanism was to put up a wall of it and use some of the principles of the 12-step program in treatment, the principles of you got to get yourself sober, first things first, build a foundation of sobriety. I kind of hid behind some of those principles and kind of deepen. No, I didn't kind of. I did. I hid behind those principles. I used them to justify why I wasn't reaching out to my kids more. I saw my friends and peers in the program make calls every night, and I called maybe once a week. I sent letters home, but they were the same superficial letters, and there were a lot of focused on, "This is what I'm doing, da, 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 da," or, "I earned a 30-day chip, da, 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 da." Never like, "I'm really struggling with, I'm processing, going through the grief I have over losing my dad. I'm working on that," or I really see that I've hurt you and I want to repair that. I mean, all my communication was superficial.
You just wanted to
And
make sure everyone was happy. You didn't want to
yeah,
bring bad news to people. Yeah.
yeah.
Burden,
And
yeah,
they
100%.
wanted more.